Hello and welcome back to yet another video on Brain GG. We have 1k in the balance. If you're gonna play on the site, make sure to click on the deposit right code nema. Click on one of these and click apply. It will give you 5% deposit bonus as well as joining my personal race and the races on the site. Let's go. Man, this looks like a sick battle, but it's maybe a little bit too risky. Let's do some 5%ers. One float, that's 240. Let's do 3v3. Only 5%ers, quite a lot of small 5%ers, and then one big one. What should our goal for today be? Like fucking 3k? Or is that a little bit too much? 1.5k maybe? Yeah, let's say we aim for, let's just aim for profit now. At this point we just gotta win. Let's be 150 item only. Fuck. 200, that's fine. I thought it was worse. I thought it was way worse. Come on. Yes. Be over 200 coins. Let's fucking send. Let's go. Come on. Yours is no 136. We can do another 5%er, can't we? Stop. Yeah. We hit the 5% gems. Let's fucking send it. Be a knife. What the fuck? 583. Huge. Last case matters a lot though. 5% gloves. This matters a lot. We hit on the float, man. That's fucking big. Come on. It's only butterflies? What the fuck? This is big. Let's fucking send. Create one more. Come on. 5%ers. Nah, they hit the 5%er, but it's fine, it's a small one. Come on, man, we gotta hit at least one 5%er, right? It would be very sad if we didn't hit anyone. Wouldn't it? Come on now. Come on. Come on, come on. Stop, 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 stop. Nah, bro. That was close. That was so fucking close. Let's run one more. Let's go bot. Someone joined me. Ah shit, they hit, but it's fine. Let's be something really cheap. That's fine, both of them are fine. 146, we can beat that, right? Come on. Asimov didn't work out. 2 last cases matters the most. Yes, bro, this is the last case. That's a good hit. Let's fucking go. Yes, bro, that's a good fucking knife. That's big. That's really big. Let this be the last of this battle we are doing? No, yes, okay, great. Come on, let's hit something. No? We are aiming for the... We're aiming for the... fucking... float. Okay, but the first ones here, all of those earlier hits will help us a lot. So we really want something else than the float as well. We want something of everything, of course. We want to hit every case, but that's not possible, is it? Hits. Come on, man, no one is hitting. This is... Yeah, that was the last case. So sad, bro. They won that. Let's call bots because no one is joining. 10%ers. We can do this. Let's hit some 10%ers. How much are we losing? Shit, we are losing quite a lot, right? Yeah, we are. We just need some good hits now, honestly. Don't give them that. Thank you. It's fine, we only need like one 10% hit. Okay, both of us hit Ingenoli case. Let our hit be bigger than theirs. Nah. That's bullshit, man. Give us a 10% hit now. Yes! Come on! Let's fucking send it. Be huge, please. Imminent. Did that shit? No. That's so piss, bro. Create battle. Shared mode 3-way. 10%. We have 172 points. Let's do a tripwire. Shared mode tripwire. Come on. One guy joined. Let's call bot for the last one. Ah, shit. We are gonna do like this. Double max. We are gonna do like this on green. We're not gonna hit it, of course. There we go. We ended at 1k, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.